Welcome to Helen Chemist channel. Today's topic electron displacement effect. It has four types: inductive effect, electromeric effect, hyperconjugation, resonance or mesomeric effect. In these, electromeric effect is temporary one. Okay, others are permanent one. There are four types in displacement of electron in the compounds. That is, what are that? Inductive effect, electromeric effect, hyperconjugation, resonance or mesomeric effect. In this session we are going to discuss the topic inductive effect. Here what happens in this displacement of electron towards more electronegative atom of sigma bond. But what is displacement of electron takes place within the molecule. So for the displacement electron, what creates partial charges developed. So this is the example: carbon, carbon, carbon. X may be any halogen atom: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So X electron withdrawing group. Source minus I effect. Okay, X is a more electronegative atom. So X what? Fluorine, chlorine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. What is the nature of halogen atom? It is more electronegative atom. So it is easily attracts the electron. So here X attracts the electron from this carbon. So it creates partial negative charges. So here electron density increases. So we are represented by del negative charge. So this carbon loses the electron. So we are represented by this del positive. So when compared to this also loses the electron. So we are the double del plus and another carbon triple del plus. So source minus I effect. Okay, electron withdrawing group, source minus I effect. This it happen up to 3 carbons only. This effect happen. Other than it will stops. So we are more withdrawing group. So X is the electron withdrawing group. So it takes the electron from this carbon. So it creates del positive on the carbon atom. It creates del negative on the negative halogen atom, because halogen is more electron density happens. For this we are representing by del positive. So this is the minus I order. NH3 plus NO2 CN SO3H CHO CO COOH COCl CONH2 fluorine chlorine bromine iodine OH or NH2 CH5HF. So you have to memorize this order. If you memorize this order only, you can solve the stability order, acidity order, acidic order. Okay, so you have to memorize the minus I order, increasing minus I effect. So NH3 is the most source, most minus I effect, H source less minus I effect. So what is the inductive effect? Inductive effect means displacement of electron towards more electronegative atom of sigma bond. So where it happens, only the sigma bond only happens. Okay, this is the example: displacement of electrons towards more electronegative atom of sigma bond, partial charges develop. So now we are going to see some examples. So here see that which is more stable. Here the four options: A, B, C, D. Yeah, fluorine CH2 COO minus. So in this example, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So in this, which is more electronegative? Fluorine. So it takes the electron from CH2. Okay, so it creates partial negative charge. Here partial positive. So this electron moves to here. So here also partial positive charge it creates. So like this, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. What is the minus I order? Fluorine has more minus I effect, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. So what is the stability order for this? A, fluorine. A is more stable, then B, then C, then D. So which is more stable? Well, the question which stability order is A, B, C, D. A is more stable, then B, then C, then D. So which is more stable? If they ask which is more, the answer is FCH2 COO minus. Okay. where fluorine is more electronegative, so it will come first. So A, B, C, D. Next, acidic order. Here for example, FCH2 COOH, ClCH2 COOH, Br. If it splits like this, COO minus H plus, CO minus H plus, like this. So rule, what is the rule? More minus I effect, more acidic nature. So in this example, in this option, which shows more minus I effect, fluorine shows more minus I effect. Okay, so more minus I effect shows more acidic nature. So which one is come first? A. So A is more acidic, then B, then C, then D. Okay, this is the rule. So you have to memorize the rule. More minus I effect, more acidic nature. Then another example, CH3 COOH, CH2 Cl COOH, Cl Cl COOH. Here 3 chlorine atom and COOH. So what is the rule? More number of minus I group, more acidic nature. So here chlorine is more withdrawing group, more electron taking group. So here which one has more number of halogen atom? This one. So more minus I group. So Cl is a minus I group. So more minus I group shows more acidic nature. So what is the answer? What is the acidity order? D will become first, then C, then B, then A. So what is the reason? D having 3 chlorine atom, C having 2 chlorine atom, B having 1 chlorine atom, and A not having chlorine atom. So in this more minus I group, so D having 3 minus I groups, Cl, Cl, Cl. So it will come first D, then C, then B, then A. Then another example, CH3 COOH, CH2 COOH. Okay, what is the rule? Minus I effect decreases when Cl at long distance. Nothing but Cl. It may be fluorine, chlorine, iodine, any atom. So when compared to this COOH group Cl, so distance is high, so the movement of electron may be slow. So this will, what is the order? B will come first. So Cl COOH. When compared to C, chlorine is most closer than this COOH. So it will come first. So the order is B, then C, then A. So the distance low. When minus I decreases when Cl at long distance. Okay. What is the rule? Minus I effect decreases when Cl at long distance. So Cl in the option C, Cl at long distance with the COOH, but in the B, Cl is the lesser distance with COOH. So BCA. Next, plus I effect, electron donating group. So this is the order for minus effect. CH2 NHO COO minus. What is the rule? More alkyl group shows more minus I effect. So tertiary alkyl group shows more plus I effect. Sorry, more alkyl group shows more plus I effect. So here alkyl group shows more plus I effect, tertiary alkyl group, then secondary alkyl group, then primary alkyl group, then methyl group. So acidic order. What is the rule? When shows rule more plus I effect, less in acidic nature. More plus I effect, less in acidic nature. So this is the example. So CH3, this is the tertiary alkyl group, tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol, primary alcohol. So in this example, which shows more plus I effect? I already showed that more number of alkyl group. We already know that more number of alkyl group shows more plus I effect. So this shows plus I effect more, then this shows, then this. So what is the rule? More plus I effect, less acidic nature. So C will be come first, then B, then A. So A says less acidic nature, and then B and C. But when it come to the basic order, it reversed. A will come first, then B, then C. A is the more basic. A shows more basic character, then B, then C. Okay. You have to memorize this rule. Okay. Thank you.